time to get ready to film, guys. Like I think it took an hour. I'm literally in sweatpants. It's amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Samantha. If you haven't already, be sure to do me a favor and click the subscribe button below so you see all of my other videos, because I am trying to make more videos. I've been trying pretty hard lately. I don't know if you've seen, I've had some travel videos here, I've had some beauty videos there, but I think I'm getting back into the swing of things. I really like talking to you guys, and I have a new camera set up as well so I can actually see myself when I'm filming. And I don't know if you noticed, I have some new brows. So I actually just got my brows powder ombre this morning, so it's still fresh. It doesn't hurt anymore, but sometimes when I make funny movements, it's like, ow, it kind of hurts. But I feel like, I don't know, I wanted to test the brows out for filming today, and so far so good. So far so good. If you like the brows, or if you're thinking of getting microblading or powder ombre or tattoo eyebrows, however you call it, done, be sure to keep an eye out for my vlog. I vlog the entire process, a procedure of getting my brows done. I'm also writing a blog post about my brows, so be sure to keep an eye out for that too if you're interested. We are gonna do some unboxing. So I have 3 packages to unbox with you. They're all of my favorite brands. I kind of like took a little peek, but I didn't really open the entire package yet. All right, let's get to it. I'm gonna bring out my first package. Ooh. I did open this because there was one product that I was very excited to try, and I knew I couldn't wait till the end of the week, so I opened it anyway. I will show you what the product is in a bit. But my first PR package is by Biossance. You might have seen me talk about Biosense in my other videos before. I am such a big fan, and once I found out, so this is the product that I could not wait to use before filming the video. It is their new Squalene and Bamboo all natural deodorant. This year has really tested what I know about the products that I put on my body. But I'm trying to go natural as much as I can. Not the best at it, but I'm trying. And one of the things that I really wanted to change was the deodorant that I was using. And I was just really looking for a natural deodorant to use, and surprisingly it was pretty hard to find. Anyway, it's deodorant. This is not a product review, FYI, it's just an unboxing. But this is their Squalene and Bamboo deodorant. It's now on sale on their website, and I've tried it for about a week. There is some detoxifying that's going on, but again, this is not really a review video, so if you guys want to see a review of this deodorant, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to do a little experiment for you guys. Not only did they send me deodorant, they also sent me their Squalene and Omega Repair Cream. And then last but not least, yes, I did request this, is the Squalene and Glycolic Acid, scratch that, rewind. It's a Squalene and Glycolic Renewal Facial. Okay, this is the big one. And there's bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I love popping them. So fun. Oh my god, it's red. It's red. Ta-da! So pretty. I love the packaging. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that your girl loves red. Love red. So it's their complete Salon Manicure Red collection. Their top red, which is the Cherry Delightful. And then they have everything from almost orangey reds to like my favorites, which are like the darker cherry reds. And then it goes on to the berry reds, which is almost like a purple red. And oh, this is cute. This is almost this is one of the shimmer ones. Well, it's cute. I like it. It's pretty. Okay. Let me know in the comments, you guys, if you're watching, what type of reds do you like? But thank you so much, Sally Hansen. Okay. I think I need a blade to open that. Oh no, never mind. I'll just tear it. Haha. I'm so strong. Ow. Pixi, you always do so well with these packages. They're beautiful. All right. Okay, so I'll show you guys. So you open this, and you see this, and then, ooh, okay, I might end up. Matte Last Liquid Lip. I've heard so much about this. I actually haven't tried this before, but you know how much I love a matte lip. I'm more into matte than glossy when it comes to lipsticks. This is the bottom half, but the top half right here is where I can mix and make my own lipstick. So what I'm supposed to do is blend my own shade using the colors in the Pixi jars and post a video of me mixing it on Instagram and to tag Pixi. You guys want to make a lipstick with me? This would be so exciting. Okay, this will be in a different video, so you guys have to subscribe so you don't miss out on the video when it comes out. And the next video, we are going to make a lipstick and we're going to try these shades out. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching my mini unboxing video. I hope you had fun watching, because some people like it, some people don't. But let me know in the comments below if you want to see more PR unboxing videos. I would love to do more with you guys. I do have some more packages coming, so let me know in the comments. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. I'm going to try and post at least once a week. The day that I've chosen so far are Thursdays, Thursday mornings in Pacific Standard Time, because I'm in Canada. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Mwah!